Hello student, good morning.
Good morning.
This is Ram Avatar.
Hello, sir.
Especially sir has asked to conduct a special session pertaining to SSB. Okay, like what are the processes of the SSB? Okay, and what are the entries to get into the armed forces? Okay, so there are number of the entries. Okay, later I'll explain. Okay, so how you can prepare yourself to be a part of the armed forces. Okay, as an officer. Okay, like you are a student, you have completed the +2, you have completed the graduations. Some of you are practicing or some of you are attending the coachings or preparation for the various civil examinations. Okay, for the bank, POs, clerk, SSB, whatever. So okay, but I have seen the less number or the less students. Okay, even girls and the boys also, they are not focused toward making career into the armed forces. Okay, it's a very lucrative career. Okay, so why don't you think as officers? Okay, why you are looking, why you are being rushed towards in a clerical job? Okay, so why you are not thinking to be a part of Indian armed forces? Okay, so for that you have to be willing, you have to prepare yourself. Okay, you have to be more interest on particular field. Okay, so especially I would suggest that if you are going to be a clerk or banker or railway, whatever, okay, so think about in some different perspective. Okay, if you think about the higher like UPSC examinations, BPSC, JPSC, IAS, IFS, like that, the officer rank. Okay, so if you not think about the initially, then how can you continue your goal? Okay, so first initially you just make a goal that I would crack this examinations. Okay, this is my aim. I want to be an IAS officer, I want to be an armed forces officer, I want to be an officer in the CPF. Okay, then you can only crack these examinations. Okay, so initially you should focus particularly about that things. Okay, so it's a very easy examinations, you know, that you can do with the you know that you are preparing for railway and banking, so you have to study more and more. Okay, but comparison, okay, you have to give less time in that. Means overall you have to improve yourself about the personality. SSB is not kind of test where you can go, you can learn, or you can go through your syllabus and you can pass the examinations. This is not like this. Okay, SSB is test of personality. Okay, personality in the sense what, like how you are behaving. Okay, how much you are confident, how you are presenting yourself. Okay, how you are giving answers, how you are interacting logically. Okay, do you have the courage, do you have the honesty, do you have the loyalty? Okay, do you have the determinations, do you have a lot of qualities? Okay, they are looking. So there are different ways and there are a number of the ways to check your qualities. Okay, if you are fit, or if your quality is fit for that particular organizations, then they will hire you, not otherwise they will reject you. Okay, so it doesn't mean that if you are not going to make career in the armed forces, it doesn't mean that you are not capable. Okay, you are capable, you can make career in other field also. Okay, like we have the examples like the APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, he is a great scientist as well as he was our former president. Okay, so even he was not able to crack the SSB examinations. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, he was also not able to crack these examinations. Okay, there are a number of the examples in our country. Okay, but it doesn't mean that they haven't served nation, as well as they can prove themselves in different sectors also, you know. So I mean that if you are going to these examinations, okay, particular examinations, you evolve your personality especially. Okay, you have to focus to improve your personality. Okay, how you are loyal, how you are honest. Okay, how you are helping to others. Okay, how you are having the determinations, confidence. There are a number of those qualities. Okay, so you have to improve these qualities to get success into the SSBs. Okay, initiatives, like there are a number of the qualities. Okay, so first of all I would suggest you that I have gone through the two branches, Korra and here, but nobody except one guy, that is Yogesh, only he was preparing for the FCAT. Okay, and I have guided him. Okay, earlier he was not able to crack the initial stage, that is called screening, but after my I think that after my guidance he cracked the screening, but ultimately he was not able to clear complete SSB and all. Okay, so it is not I mean that if you are concentrate. Okay, even the girls, now recently the government has announced that ND examinations, this examinations is for girls also. Okay, earlier it was not. Okay, only girls can apply for the this one TGC and SSC. Okay, but now the girls will have a golden opportunity to make career in the armed forces as a permanent commission. Okay, these commissions were for the short service commission. Okay, but now they can make career for a permanent commission. Okay, through the NDA. Now the one batch already result has been announced. The Haryana girl, I don't forget actually the name. Okay, she was ranked first rank in the NDA. Could you imagine that? Everywhere the girls is
No, sir, 10th rank all India. In 10th rank, girls in the first.
girls in the first. So think about that. The girls are also coming in the sector. So it's a very commendable job for the girls especially. Okay, so you should also look. You know that education is simply that when you are in appearing 12th class. Okay, and when you are already you have completed the 12th, you can apply for that NDA examinations. Okay, so it's very easy. You know that if you are going to prepare. Basically, you are clear about your basic concept of physics, chemistry, mathematics, as well your current affairs and English. Okay, you can crack the written part. Okay, but matter is that SSB. You have qualified for the written. After that, you will face the second test, that is called SSB. Okay, so I'll make aware about the whole procedure of the SSB. Okay, so have you? How many of you that aware about the SSB procedure? Only 2, 3. Okay, if you don't if you have any problem, okay, if you have any doubt, okay, just you point out in your notebook. At last you clarify here. Okay, at last you will ask the whatever you have the doubts. Okay, so first of all I would say that the SSBs, like in the armed forces, there are 3 wings: Indian Army, Air Force and the Navy. Okay, and the all examinations, like already I have written that TES, NDA, CDSC, AFCAT, NCC, JSG, TGC, SSC, TGC, USC. Okay, so all whatever if they have qualified, written and all. Okay, after that they have to ultimately come or face the SSB's procedure. Okay, so the SSB procedure is quite similar for the all branches like Air Force, Navy and the Army. Okay, and 3 wings, they have their own SSB's centers. Okay, like if you are opted the choice for the Army, okay, they will conduct the SSB or they will take interview, especially if you are going to apply for Air Force. Okay, the Air Force will be responsible to take your SSB. If you are going to apply for the Navy, Navy will conduct your SSB. Okay, so the 3 branches have their own SSB center. Like for the Army, there is Allahabad board, Bangalore board, Kapurthala board and Bhopal. Okay, so similarly the Navy has the same, like Bhopal, Varanasi, like that. Okay, so in the same way they are filtering the candidates. Okay, if they are if you are not forfeit for the officer, you will be sent back. Okay, so first I would like to share about the what are the procedure. Okay, so this is the 5-day procedure. Okay, the first test is that a screening. Okay, once you reach the SSB center, okay, there would be the batch of 200, 250, maybe 100 or 150. Okay, after that they conduct examination, that is called a screening. Okay, so a screening test comprises of like a verbal, non-verbal, as well as the PPDT, perception, observation and discussion test. Okay, so in a one day this test will be organized over there and you have to appear for that. Okay, so first you have to given a sort of questions like 40 or 50. This is depend on the set. Okay, so verbal reasoning, it's not a tough question. Okay, if you go through that paper, you will find that it's very easy, but the matter is that there is a time condition, like that if you will get a 40 or 50 questions of a set, okay, then you will be allotted for 17 or 20 minutes. Okay, so within the time you have to finish your reasoning part. Okay, once you finish the reasoning part, verbal as well as non-verbal, okay, there is a separate examination for the verbal and non-verbal. Okay, so 70 minutes for the verbal or 20 minutes for the non-verbal. Okay, it is depend on the question paper set. Understood? Okay, if you are going to score good marks, it will be better. Okay, that is called officer, that is called OIR. Okay, that is called OIR, officer intelligence rating. Okay, there is a rating of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay, okay, if you are a score less, okay, you will become under 5 rating. Okay, there is some slab. Okay, I'm not familiar with that slab. Okay, so try to come into this. Why? Because you know that if you are going to score higher in first category, okay, if you are score less marks in the picture perception and discussion test, then you will be considered, you can go through the screening test. Okay, you can pass the screening test. So try to come into this slab. Okay, so this is the test for only for OIR rating. Okay, verbal and non-verbal. Later on, after termination of this verbal and non-verbal, okay, you will be seated in a same place like the hall, examination hall. After that, you will be shown one picture. Okay, one picture through the projector. Okay, and the picture will be shown to you only for 30 seconds. Okay, and within 30 seconds you have to observe, okay, what are the things is going on, what are the characters are there in the pictures. Okay, according to that picture you have to make a story on that. Okay, correlated with their action as well. If you observe that male, you should write on male. You don't mention about that I have seen, or miss, you don't involve the female candidate. Okay, like you have observed of male, then you should focus, or you should write down especially a story on the basis of male, what he or she is doing, like that. Okay, so whatever background is that, so correlated with the background, okay, you make a story on that. Okay, any stories like I am standing here, like I am here teaching. Okay, so you can make a story like that. Okay, Mr. Ram, he is a graduate. Okay, he is good in mathematics, but he noticed that in his locality the students were not scoring good marks in the mathematics. Okay, so for that he thought that to give a home tuition, just he want to teach them. So he discussed with the student and he organized a class. Okay, in order to improve them, like that. Okay, so means you have to create on one situations on that, and how you are handling the situations, how you are going to negotiate the situations. Okay, how you are solving the situation. So that is matter. Okay, if you observe something like already I have given the examples, like I am here I am teaching here. Okay, so on the basis of, you can make other stories also, like just I am making aware about the SSB procedure. This is also part of the story. Okay, I am making aware about the Agnipath Yojana. Okay, I am making aware about the any government yojanas, schemes. Okay, Jan Dhan Yojana, like that. Okay, so you can make a story as per your choice, but the matter is that how you are making. Okay, have you made a problem or not? Okay, so just you have to make a smaller problem, and how you are going to tackle this problem, it is matter. Okay, and how you are solving all those problems, and how you are completing the stories. Okay, after that, you know that first of all, what you see that the picture will be shown to you. Okay, and then you have to observe carefully. Okay, what are the characters are there, and what is the background. If there is a hill, so you should correlate your story with the hill stations. Okay, not like a desert and not like a water. If you see that water bodies, okay, ponds, sea, you should make a story on the basis of the sea or ponds. Okay, you should not make a story on the basis of the any desert area. Okay, so that is matter. Okay, this is test of perception. Okay, and observation, how you are going to observe the slides and theme, and how you are going to perceive yourself. Okay, after that, if you for that I'm about the timing. Okay, for the observation 30 minutes will be given to you, and 1 minute for writing the characters. Okay, like you have to make a box like this. Okay, in box you have to mention about the characters. Okay, if you notice that male, you should write down male. Okay, if you notice a male in between or in the center part of the slide, okay, you have to write male. After that, what you notice that is he in positive or negative or neutral mood. Okay, so according to that you have to write down their moods. Okay, if he is positive mood, then you can write only plus. Okay, and you have to also notice about the age. Okay, if exact age is not mandatory, but you have to just, you can say that in between 20 to 25 years, 30 to 35 years, 28 to 32 years, like that. Okay, so if I observe that character is 25 years old, and then the main characters, if there is a main character, so you should encircle like this. Okay, if you notice the other character, like which is in the top or left or right corner of the slide. Okay, so just basically you notice that there is a old female. Okay, you should write down female. Okay, and then if she is in positive mood, you should write down positive. If you are not able to identify whether he or she is positive or negative, you can put a simple neutral sign. This is for neutral sign. And then yes, you can write down 31 years age or 30, 40, whatever you observe that. Okay, like that you have to make box. Okay, in box you have to write down the details of the slide. Okay, and the characters, you can say basically these are the characters. Okay, and then this is for this you have been given only for 1 minute. Okay, and for observation 30 second, and 4 minute remaining 4 minute for a story. Okay, nobody will instruct you. Okay, once your slide goes blank, okay, automatically you continue with this part. Okay, you should start writing like this. Okay, after that, after 1 minute you supposed to write down the whole story, what you have observed and what is your situation and how you are going to solve all those problems. Okay, so this is part of perception and observation. Okay, once you finish the writing part, okay, your booklets will be deposited. Okay, after that there would be one discussion, group discussions. Okay, pertaining to that slide, whatever you have observed, on the basis of your observation and what you have written. Okay, according to that you will be called, you will be made a group. Okay, of 10 or 15 I think 15%. Okay, you will be seated in a semicircular, and after that from chess number 1, okay, he will narrate their own story, what he has written. Okay, after termination of his story, automatically second person will start his own story. Okay, and one by one this process continue till the end. Okay, once the last chess number is that 15. Okay, so last chess number 15 has completed their own story. After that you will start the discussion. For what? To bring a common consensus. Okay, if somebody has written on the basis of flood. Okay, somebody has written on the basis of famine, somebody has written population control, somebody has written, means you know that you will get a 15 story, you will get in different way or different concept. Okay, so it is quite difficult to come in the common consensus. Okay, so that in a group you have to discuss with each other, or after that you have to make a common consensus on that. Okay, and once you reach on a common consensus, but it is quite difficult. Okay, because everybody wants to give their own story, and it is test of personality. Already I have said that. Okay, somebody will start disturbing others, somebody start dominating others. Okay, somebody starts, you will find a lot of things. Okay, like somebody will start to stop. Okay, somebody will say the stop, you stop, like that. Okay, you will find some peculiar situations there. Okay, it is test of personality. Already I said that. Okay, after that you will see that, okay, how the candidate is patient, how they are listening. Okay, how they are listening to others, how they are communicating with others. So if you are going to communicate with a politely way, if you are restrict your body language, okay, you listen others. Firstly you listen others. Okay, then you start your view. Okay, so politely and gently, if you are participating in the group discussions, and if you are able to make a common consensus, then it's a good. Otherwise, if you are not able to come on the common consensus, leave it. Okay, don't try to be a what is called that hero over there. Okay, miss, in order to get a hero, you know that you will get screened out. Why it is? Because you will be volatile. Because if I want to hero, if I want to dominate the group, definitely I have to dominate the group. Okay, so that in that situations you will not get success in the first stage, you will go back. Okay, so approx you know that 80 or 70% of students they are coming back on the first stage. Okay, once the 100 students report there, okay, there is no any such ratio, fixed ratio, okay, but it is generally it happens. Okay, if I start conducting the same thing here, you can notice that. Okay, so it's general or it's a realistic thing. Okay, so when means only 30 or 40% or maybe less than 30% they pass the first stage test. Okay, so whatever you have written, whatever you have done, the verbal, non-verbal, reasoning, okay, leave that. Okay, it is only for the wire rating. Okay, focus on this part, picture perception and discussion test. Okay, somehow you are not able to write the story completely, leave that. Okay, but while your narration you may say that, okay sir, I have written this much but my story goes like this. Okay, so there is a lot of relaxation. Okay, but you have to show your qualities over there. Understood? So this means basically you say that discussion is more and more important. Okay, you have to participate. If you will be keep mum, you will not be considered. Okay, so at least once or twice you should participate in the group. Try to make a common consensus. Okay, because the story will be written in a different way. Okay, everyone has their own intention. They have written in different background. Okay, so try to come on the common consensus, and according to that, okay, the assessor will ask you, stand one of you and select one of you to give a common consensus. Okay, but generally it doesn't happen to come on the common consensus, but if it happens then it's better. Okay, for the group also. So this is the first test. Okay, after all the procedure, okay, after 1 or 2 hours your result will be announced. Okay, chest number 1, chest number 3, chest number 6, chest number 7. Okay, come to this side, and remaining you may go and come to the next time, like that. Okay, it happens. Okay, that time you feel very boredom, that time you feel very bad. Okay, oh my god, if I will not speak, if I will not commit this mistake, that time you realize a lot of things. Okay, if I could speak better, okay, I can make through. That time, you know, that feeling was very strange. Okay, after seeing others, okay, oh my god, he has cracked this first stage. Okay, so you see that the remaining, the students who have passed the first test, okay, they will be kept, they will be accommodated, they will be given the room and all. Okay, for the second test, that is called psychology, GTO, interview and the conference. Okay, so moving to this one, psychology test. You know that psychology test already, you know that what is the psychology? By reading, by assessing, by writing, okay, the psychologist will assist you whether you are fit for this armed forces or not. Okay, means whatever they are want to bring your qualities from you, they are looking the same thing into your written part. Okay, this is test of written, like a written. Okay, you have to submit the all things by written in this section. Okay, so psychologist, what the psychologist there looks, okay, means in the test you will be given less time and you have to complete all test. Okay, means you will be in pressure. Okay, so once a person is in pressure, okay, definitely they will come with the natural. Okay, if you having the nature of the annoying, okay, so if I'll pressurize him, okay, definitely he will come out with the same qualities. Okay, if sir is having a polite nature, if I started abusing him, he will not say anything. Okay, because his nature is very polite. You know, so the originality come from where? Psychologists are from giving pressures. Okay, so there is a time pressures you will be hurry. Okay, you will be in a hurry to accomplish this task or to accomplish this written part. Okay, so naturally your natural thing will come out. Okay, because you will be given us some limited time. On that you have to write all those story, all those tasks. Okay, so you know that time your originality will come. Okay, so in that situation, you know that you should practice more and more about the psychology. Psychology is what? It is based on, you know, that your means all tasks, you know, that not especially the psychology, GTO, interview, every task, my whole SSB procedure, they want to bring your qualities. Okay, the qualities already I have mentioned about the honesty, integrity, initiative, helping nature, social adaptability. There are a number of the qualities. Okay, how you are helping others, how you are talking others. Okay, how you are polite. Okay, like that. Okay, if you are given this power, will you utilize or will you misuse this power? Okay, so all those things they are checking through the different way, and the finally ultimate is to bring out your qualities, okay, in different way, on different aspects, okay, from psychologists, from the GTO, from the interview and the conference. So ultimate, and they are also checking the same qualities through a different angle. Okay, it's a very scientific procedure. Okay, nobody can say, nobody can cheat this procedure. You know that nobody can cheat this procedure. It's very clear. Okay, very crystal clear. This procedure is that. Okay, coming to the psychology. Okay, first test is that TAT. That is called TAT. That is called thematic appreciation test. Okay, thematic appreciation test. In that test, you will be shown to slide. You will be shown to pictures in the form of slide. Okay, so in the same way, like you have attended the PPDT, 30 seconds for the observations, 30 seconds you will be shown a picture. Later on the slide goes blank for a 4 minutes. Okay, on that 4 minutes you have to make a story on that. Okay, the same thing is that whatever you have written in the PPDT, like you have to make one, you have to create one problem according to your slides. Okay, and how you are going to solve the problem. Okay, so it will be up to 11th slide and 12th will be blank. Okay, and 12th slide, according to your wish, whatever you want to write down on the 12th story, you can make your own story on that, on 12th story. Okay, so this is a TAT. Later on, immediately after, once you finish the TAT, the second test automatically it will start. That is called VAT. VAT is word association test. Okay, simple word association test means like this is a test. This is a the test of 60 word. Okay, and it will repeat it one by one. Okay, like the word will come aim. For example, aim. So you have to write a sentence, aim. Okay, like everyone has a aim to get success. Okay, like that. So miss only 15 second, I think 15 second it is given to write a one sentence. Okay, by observing as well as writing. Okay, so it will be continued till 60 words. Okay, so basically this 60 word will comprise of 20 neutral words, 20 positive words and 20 negative words. Okay, like the words come suicide. Okay, what you will make sentence?
Nowadays suicide is common.
It's a neutral stand. Okay, so if this is means that they want to check what do you think by the suicide. Okay, somebody will write, okay, I will never suicide myself. Itself you are saying that I will never suicide. Means psychologists will think that you will suicide in the future. Okay, so this is the way of judging themselves. Okay, so if you are going like negative words, if you are going to a neutral stand up, if you are going to solve like suicide yoga, mitigate the suicidal case in our societies, or proper meditations or proper consultations reduces the suicide case in our society, like that. Okay, so you are giving the solution. Okay, you are not creating the problems. Understood? So likewise you have to make a sentence on 60 words. Okay, you will not given us so much time. Continuously you have to write down continuously, and as well you have to think on the words. Okay, coming to the next part, that is called SRT. Okay, and the SRT the same. The SRT stands for situation reaction test. Okay, on that test you will be given any situations and you have to write down their solution. Understood? Like a situation, like I am teaching here. Okay, so while you are teaching in a classroom, suddenly one of the students fell down. What you will do? So it is basically to know that how you are going to negotiate the situations, how you are going to handle the real situations. Understood? The situation will come like okay, you are studying in a room, in your room. Okay, one cobra has entered into your room. Okay, what you will do? Okay, you have to give your solution, what you will do that. Okay, if you are going through a village, okay, one boy who is sinking in the pond, okay, so as a commuter and while you was crossing the pond, okay, you observe that one boy has already fell down into the pond, and that situation what you will do. Okay, so that kind of situations you will be facing in this test SRT. So this is also again test of 60 situational questions will be given, 60. Okay, and the time is 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, there will be na, you know that if you face, you will say that okay, oh my god, this situation also come. Okay, you will never think about that. Okay, but after practicing, after imagination, after thinking, if you start thinking, okay, the basic things, okay, a small things, okay, that situation will be very easy for you. Okay, so on the 30 minutes, I think the not a miss everybody is not going to complete the whole 60 because time is very less, and you have to think as well. You have to write the whole sentences or your reactions. Okay, it is basically for the reactions. Okay, what you are going to do. Okay, so already I have given the examples. Likewise, you will get the 60 situational test, situational questions. Okay, after that, next part is that SD, self description. Okay, in that self description, okay, you will be asked to write down 10 lines or 8 lines about yourself. Like, what do you think about yourself? What your parents think about yourself? What your friends think about yourself? Okay, what your teachers think about you? Okay, and what your, if you are serving candidate, then your colleague, what your colleague think about you, or the senior or the superior think about you. Okay, so you will be instructed over there, means what should you write. Okay, and on the basis of that you have to write the 8 or 10 lines on each paragraph. Like what your parent think about you, so you should write down 8 or 10 line about what my parent think about me. Okay, what my friend think about me, what my teacher think about me. Okay, what my superior think about me, like that. Understood? So you will be given the 4 tests in the psychology. Okay, after completion of the whole test, you will be given a break. In between, you will not allowed to go outside. Okay, this is a means, you know that if once the test start, okay, you will be remain in the same position. Okay, you will not be allowed to go outside. You will not allowed to take a break even. Okay, until your termination of your last procedure, SD. Okay, once you finish the SD, your psychology test is over. Okay, then you could realize that okay, I left the 8 number story, I haven't completed the 7th number story. Oh, I haven't completed this one story. Okay, oh, my theme was some different. Okay, but the scene was some different. Okay, the slide was some different, picture was some different, but I have written some other stories. You know that I have already said that. Okay, if you notice that there is a sand, or 2 persons were planting on the sand or on the desert area, so you should write down the story on the basis of the plantation in the desert area. Okay, you can't make a story on any hill stations. Okay, like that. So according to your perception, okay, what is the background of the picture? Okay, you have to correlate all those things. Okay, you should incorporate all those things into your story. And already I have said that you have to make one situation, you have to make one problem into that situation, then you are able to handle this thing. Okay, otherwise you will straightforward, you will write down, means that a story will be not good, as well as that a story will be meaningless, you know. So this is already my psychology test, already I have covered this. Okay, and the 3rd day, this one the first day a screening, 2nd day is for the psychology test, and the 3rd day, that is GTO, 3rd and the 4th day. Okay, once you finish the psychology test, okay, it is depend on the chest number. Okay, if you are chest number 1 from the examinations hall, you will be called for the interview also. Okay, it is depend on your chest number. Okay, if you are chest number 1 to 5, immediately after the psychology test you will be called for the interview. Okay, so it is depend on the workload of the interviewing officer. Okay, how they are going to conduct your interview. In between, means from psychologist test to the third or fourth day. Okay, anytime you will be called for the interview. Okay, so there is no fixed schedule for the interview. Understood? The second day you will be interviewed, third day you may interviewed, fourth day you may interviewed. It is depend on your chest number. Okay, so coming to the GTO task. Okay, GTO task, first of all I would like to say what is GTO. The GTO is group testing officer. Okay, the third day and the fourth day you will be remain with the GTO officer. Okay, in between you have to face the series of tests. Okay, in 2 days, so third or fourth day. The first test is that group discussion. Okay, you have been called in the white t-shirt, white knicker and the white shoes. Okay, you have been called, you will be called to the ground. Okay, where in a group of 10 people, okay, the group will be formatted after that, after screening. Okay, so after screening 10 boys will be formed in a one group. Okay, and the 10 boys or the candidate will be tested by the one duty officer. Okay, so in the first task of GTO, that is group discussion. Okay, you will be seated in a semi-circular way in the ground area. Okay, there would be 2 topics. Okay, 2 topics. On the 2 topics you have to discuss. Okay, the first topic will be given optional, means choice. Okay, like the topic, just I want to say that, okay, who serve country better, a soldier or a teacher or a doctor, like that. The second topic would be how can we stop radicalization in our country. Yeah, is it because of by politicians or is it because of the religion clerics? Okay, so you will be given a 2 topic. You have to decide which one is more better for you or for the group. Understood? So according to that, discuss among yourself. Okay, so which one would be more convenient to discuss on that topic. Okay, if you are not able to, like I have given the example of right now, means how can we control the radicalization in India. If you don't have the knowledge about the radicalizations in our country, then how can you discuss in the group. Okay, so better to go with the topic which you know or which you are able to speak on the topic. Okay, which you have the depth knowledge regarding that topic, so choose that topic. So in that situation, GTO will ask and he will give the time for 30 seconds or 40 seconds to think about that topic. Okay, whatever you want to discuss, you start and you say that, okay sir, topic number 1 is more preferable for us. According to that, just you choose one topic and on that topic you will be given for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, for a discussion. Okay, the same thing, in the group discussions they are checking your knowledge, they are checking your initiative, whether you are able to initiate the topic or not, whether you are confident or not, whether you are having the helping nature or not. You know that in the group, in the same sequence, you know that you will notice that somebody will start dominating, somebody will not allow to others speak. Okay, somebody will stop by making your like using the body language, hands. So these are the bad etiquettes. Okay, if somebody is using hands, stop like that, means you will never think about that. Okay, means you have to be very polite, you have to be in a gentle way, you have to discuss. Okay, this is not a kind of test, you know that just formally you discuss like with a friend. Okay, whenever you are interacting with a friend, generally you should start with in the same manner. Okay, so the same GTO, the 2 topic already I have said that 2 topic on that. First topic you have discussed and the second topic would be mandatory. Okay, on that topic there would be no other choice. Okay, whatever the GTO sir will give you the topic, that is the final topic. On that topic you have to discuss, you have to participate on that, whether you have knowledge, whether you have contents or not. Okay, understood? After once the GD group discussion finished, then you will be called for the other task, that is called PGT, progressive group task. Basically progressive means this task actually some structures would be placed in the ground. Okay, like structures made of the wood, made of the irons, made of concretes. Okay, So some structures, and you will be given some helping materials like plank, rope, load like jerrycan, 5 kg of jerrycan, 10 kg of load, like that. Okay, so the helping materials, whatever they are giving you according to that task. Okay, if that helping material is useful to negotiate that task, according to that they are giving. Understood? So task is that progressive group task. Already I have said this is a kind of some structures would be placed in the ground. Okay, you have to cross that structure, okay, with the help of helping materials. Okay, there would be some rules. Okay, you are not allowed to touch the ground. Okay, there would be some other color codes also. Red color is out of bound for the helping material as well as you can't put your feet into the red color, you can't touch even. Okay, and the other color will be green or blue, whatever. Okay, blue color will be allowed for you only, not for the helping material. You can't tie with the helping material. Okay, and other would be green or some yellow, means it is depend on the board. Okay, it is not any fixed thing. Okay, whatever they are instructing there in the ground, according to that you have to follow. Understood? So applying means like that you will be given the set of 3 or 4 tasks. Okay, PGT comprise of 3 or 4 tasks basically. Okay, this is the start point. Okay, and this is a finish point. Okay, once your time will be allotted for the 40 or 50 minutes. Okay, he will say that okay, 40 minutes sufficient for you. You will say yes sir. Okay, so now your time starts from here. Okay, so once you reach there, this is a start line. Okay, after there would be some structures. Okay, after that means this is a start line, this is a finish line of this obstacle, particularly for this obstacle. Okay, after that you can walk on this ground. Understood? But in between you can't walk. Okay, there will be some whatever the rule already made announced. Okay, according to that you have to follow the color rules. Understood? So once you start here, after that using the helping materials, after that once the group crossed here, okay, then you start negotiating the second one task. Okay, in the same way or in the same fashion you have to complete the second task in the same third and fourth. Okay, so once you complete the fourth task, okay, because we are in the number of 10. Okay, some of us that feel that okay, I haven't participated well, I haven't able to give my ideas into this particular task. Okay, so don't worry that time. Okay, actually that after that this group will be splitted into 2 subgroups. Okay, at that time you will be given a chance to do the same task. Okay, with the 50-50, like the group will be already divided into 5 candidates. Okay, so at that time just you use your mind. Okay, the matter is that here you know that the how you are going to apply your mind. Understood? Whoever is giving the idea, you know, leader, what they are looking, leader, not a follower. You know that in the 10 people you will feel that 2 or 3 will able to instruct the things. Okay, yes, tie this rope, place the plank there. Okay, and according to that we will cross this platform or we will cross this obstacle. Understood? And rest of them they will follow. So they are not looking follower, they are looking leader. Okay, the persons who are having the mind, okay, they are not doing anything. That person who having the mind only he is instructing. Okay, friends, just you tie this rope. Okay, make a hook on the rope. Okay, and put a plank into the hook and just you will cross this way. Okay, so that person will be considered over there because he is giving the ideas. Okay, not a follower. So in the same way, whoever feel that I have not performed well, I was not able to give my own ideas. Okay, at that time you will be given the other task, another task that is called HGT. HGT means half group task. Half group task. Okay, in the same way, in half group task, the same thing means sort of 3 or 4 or maybe 3 obstacle will be given to you, and in the same fashion you have to negotiate these obstacle. Okay, the color rules and whatever the rules is there, the same thing will be applicable in the same or in the HGT. Understood? And the next will be snake race. Snake race, why it is called snake race? The one rope will be there, okay, of 10 feet or 15 feet. Okay, so that basically this snake race is basically designed to check the coordinations and how you are helping the others. Okay, there would be set up obstacle, 10 or 15 obstacle, or maybe 10 obstacle, I think 10 obstacle, on which you know that you have to carry the rope, that is called snake. Okay, and there is some rules. Okay, while negotiating the obstacle, at a time 3 persons or 3 candidates should hold the snake while negotiating the obstacle. Afterwards, everyone has to hold the snake. Okay, you know that means I think the 10 obstacle is there, approx 500 or 600 meters, which will cover the 5 or 600 meters. Okay, once you will start the obstacle, okay, everyone has to hold. Okay, and you have to select one war cry. Okay, because there is a competition between 3 or 4 group. Okay, it is dependent on how many candidates are there. Okay, it will be 2 or 3 groups, 3 and 4 groups. Okay, and the GTO sir will say that, okay, I want to see that which group will be winner. Okay, which will group reach that finish point first. Okay, by following all rules. Okay, there would be also the color rules. Okay, there in the obstacle there is some red mark or red paint is placed over there. You are not allowed, even your helping materials will not allowed to touch that red color. Okay, so all the color rules are also same things is applying on that obstacle also. Okay, so in that scenario, what they say that they make us competition among us. Okay, and if you are going to infringe any rules, you will be punished. You will give a punishment of time, like 10 second, 15 second, or 30 second. Okay, but generally, why they are doing that? To see the coordinations and see the honesty, how the candidates is honestly they are doing. Okay, you know that in the crowded area, in the bhid area, you know that if you started doing that, no, everything they will forget, you know that. And one more thing is that, okay, if you are in the high josh, if you are in the full josh, okay, you will never consider about the rules. Okay, so that thing they want to check with the full josh, with that they are able to concentrating their mind or not. ओके, यू नो दैट अगर खूब जोश मिल गया तो हम सब कुछ भूल जाए, ऐसा नहीं, अंडरस्टूड दैट. तो ये सब सारे चीज़ को फॉलो करते हुए विद द पूरा जोश के साथ आप कितने कलर रूल्स, कलर कोड्स को आप ध्यान रख रहे हैं, कितने आप हेल्प कर रहे हैं, क्या आप 3 आदमी एट ए टाइम होल्ड कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. उसके बाद आप जा रहे हैं तो ऑनेस्टली से सभी आदमी होल्ड किए कि नहीं किए. whoever is infringing the rules, okay, they will be penalized. Okay, the assessor, they are very qualified, they will silently, they will look you. Okay, you will think that, okay, assessor is not looking, but don't think that, okay, assessor is observing each and everything. Okay, so next, this is the first day of GTO, understood, and the second is that second day for the GTO is lecturate. Okay, in that lecturate you will be given a card of 4 topic on which you have to opt one topic. On one topic you have to give 3 minutes lecture on that topic. Suppose agriculture in India. Okay, once you given a topic, you start you deliver the topics 3 minutes. Okay, so it is basically test of your confidence. Okay, how you're going to talk with the group, how you're delivering the topic. Okay, and coming to the individual obstacle. Individual obstacle is also again set of 10 obstacle. Okay, it will be placed in a zigzag way, means it will not be synchronized way. You know that if the obstacle number 1 is placed here, 10 will be there, 5 will be there, 6 will be there. Okay, so it is basically to know that how you are going to organize, how you are going to attend or negotiate this obstacle, understood. So if you are going to negotiate the number 5 obstacle, you will be allowed for 5 marks. Okay, if you are going to negotiate 10, you will be given 10 marks. Okay, so 4 minutes, I think 4 minutes is 3 minutes. 3 minutes is for individual obstacle. Whoever is physically fit, okay, they are after completion of all 10 obstacle, they are again allowed to repeat the same obstacle, whatever they want. Okay, and the repetition obstacle, they will get the same marks. Okay, if you are going to repeat the 10 number obstacle, it will add 10 marks more, understood. So it is depend on your physical stamina. Okay, how you are going to negotiate this, and this is basically to check whether you are able to negotiate all obstacle or not, or whether you are able to synchronized in a proper way, you know. Next is that group planning. Group planning is a very important task, you know that. Once, even this is our day-to-day life, you know that in our home also, when we are in the home, we have to do a lot of works at the same time, okay. Once your mommy will say that you have to go market, okay, your papa will say that, okay, you go to the carpenter shop, okay, you have to also work, you have also work with your friend, you have also a study, okay. So at the same time you have to 4-5 works, okay. So in the same way this test has been organized or designed that you are a group of 10 people, okay, you are going for anywhere like hiking, you are going for a picnic, like that, okay. In between you will be given 4-5 situations, okay. Like while traveling to that, like suppose for example I am just giving you, okay, we are a group of 10 people from the English Cafe plan to go Chhadwa Dam for a picnic, okay. In between like Indrapuri Chowk, when we reach to the Indrapuri Chowk or Pagmil, okay, we face one problem is when we reach to the Indrapuri Chowk, okay, one man came to me or say that, sir, you are a group of 10 people, so there is a one problem that in Pelawal, okay, one person who got injured and he is profusely bleeding, okay. At the same time other person will came to you and sir, there is one problem that if in Chhadwa Dam, okay, in the gate particularly one terrorist has placed a bomb into the gate, okay. If you are not going to defuse that bomb, okay, it could be flush the whole village of nearby Chhadwa Dam, okay. One other will come, okay, sir, my goat has missed in the jungle, so could you help me to finding the goat, okay. Somebody will say that, okay, sir, my examination is about to reach, sir, I have only missed 2 or 3 minutes, so there is no transportation, so can you drop me? So at the same time you will face 4-5 problem, okay. So this is called group planning, okay. So if how you are going to solve all those problems, okay, it is matter, and which problem you are giving more importance, means prioritization of your problem, it is matter, okay. If somebody is profusely bleeding, okay, means he is fighting with the life, okay, so you should go with the first to save that person, okay. You will also face some redundant problem like the goat was missed in the jungle, so what is the need to find out that goat, understood? Other problem is that, okay, the one bomb was placed into the Chhadwa Dam, it is also important, okay. If you are not going to defuse or if you are not going to help the police authorities or the defusing a squad, okay, that could be the nearby the village could flood the villages and can wash out the village also, understood? So according to that you have to prioritize the problem and how you are going to solve this problem, okay. How you are using, what the resources you are using, okay, whatever you are using the minds, okay, and how you are tackling this within the time, okay. There will be also time condition, you know. So within the time how you are going to solve this problem, okay. So it is all about the GP. After written form, okay, you will be allowed to discuss or to make a common consensus, okay. After written part, okay, you will be allowed to discuss in a group. After that you have to make a common consensus on a planning, okay. So one of us will stand and he will give the group planning, okay, the common planning, okay, how you are going to solve this problem, okay. And the next, already I have said that interview is all about your personality, you know, that you will be asked about your friends, your family, how your relations with your friends, family, okay, your subjects, about your cities, about your states, why you want to join our armed forces, okay, what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses, okay, about the defense, okay, about the aircrafts, about the marines, about the in the interview there is no such a pattern, okay. But the basic thing is that you should know about your basic things, like how I am, okay, what is the relations with my friends, okay, how I am living with my families, okay. The basic thing is that how I have studied, okay. If I am weak in my study, okay, so why I have not scored much marks in the matriculations, okay. If I am good in the intermediate, so definitely it will be questions, okay. If you can score good marks in the intermediate, but why you not in the matriculation, means there is some fault that you haven't studied well, okay. So it is all about the interview. It's test, it is test of your personality, okay. It is not test of your knowledge, you know. knowledge, they may ask, okay, if you are going in a good way, okay, they may ask a lot of questions, okay, but don't think that if I haven't answered this one, like what is the green revolution, if I am not able to answer the green revolution, okay, don't think that I will not get recommended, okay. So on that green revolution, they are not going to assess you, okay, they are going to assess you how you are cool, calm, what you are giving natural responses, okay, how you are helping others, how you are like having the relations, have you bondings with the families, have you bonding with your relatives, and or they are looking a lot of qualities, okay. And after termination of all tests, okay, on the final day, 5th day is the conference, okay, because you know that interviewing officer, he is checking in a different aspects, GTO is checking in a different aspects, and psychology they are checking in a different aspect, but they are looking for the same, the qualities they are looking for the same, okay. But in the conference, everyone, all assessors will sit together, okay, in conference hall, and they will discuss about your performance in GTO, about your psychologist in your interview. So according to they are compiling, okay, they are making the graph, okay, like you have given a good this one in the psych test, okay, in the GTO like this, and the interview like this. So means you are not a fit for the defense. Why? Because that your this personality is fluctuating, okay. If your personality is going in a constant way, improving or in a parallel way, okay, in every test or in every segment, okay, they will consider that he is a balanced person. Understood? So you have to be balanced in all tests so that they will not have any problem to judge you. You know that in the conference they are discussing or they are deciding about you, okay, if you are giving best in the interview but not in the GTO, means your performance is fluctuating, means your personality is not as much good, only you have only means what do you say that only you have mugged up all those things and you have narrated over there. Understood? So this is all about the conference. And if there is a dot in your personality, okay, in the psychology says that if GTO will ask, yes, I am passing him, okay, interviewer officer also say that yes, I am passing him, okay, but the GTO say that no, I have a dot, okay. So in that situation in the conference, they will ask the questions, okay, pertaining to your psychologist, from where they have dot, okay, they want to clarify. If you are able to make it, if you are giving us right answer, okay, then you will be go through. Otherwise, that is important thing. If you are not going to give the natural thing or the right answer, okay, definitely you will be disqualified. After that, your result will be announced, okay. So overall, this is the procedure. It's very, you know that you can't understand the scientific things. It's a very clear procedure, okay. Nobody can say that I know the procedure, okay, what they are looking. Nobody can say that. Only the assessor only they know, because that DRDO they are teaching, they are training them, okay, what qualities they are looking and how they are looking. So nobody know that how, and there is no any set pattern, okay. If I'll write this one, I'll pass this one, like in examinations like UPSC, IAS or bank clerk, whatever, okay. There is no any certain things that if I'll write this one, I'll pass. Understood? It is test about your personality, what you are, you have to project yourself only. Understood? Then only you can pass. Otherwise, if you are going to copy others, okay, he has written this one, he has made it clear, I'll go with the same route, never you will pass.